Okay, so we are going to work on the wings for this feather jaw. And so what I have here is just some paper, and I'm going to sketch out the wings. It's early in the morning right now. And then I have to build them today. So that will be fun. Hopefully they'll be majestic. Okay, so I just drew a simple wing. I looked at an owl picture, and just, it doesn't have to be perfect. The feathers themselves will be all these things, so I didn't get too complicated. And I will probably just make that out of cardboard now. Okay, so here are the wings cut out of cardboard. So I made one wing and just flipped it over and then traced around it. And now I have two wings. Now it's how to connect them so I can flap them after the fact. I think I'm just gonna use a zip tie and a hole in the middle and lots of duct tape. And I may have to reinforce this with a hanger across the top. Okay, so this is the wings. With hot glue there, and I made a little joint so they will fly. Okay, so now I'm going to apply feathers with the glue gun and hope for the best. I'm looking at this owl here just for the design of how you put the feathers on. And I assume I probably will use more of this for the insides, but the black and white ones. Okay, so I ran out of the white and black, and now I'm into the brown. Same on that side. And I think I'm gonna go brown across the top of the wing, and then maybe work this pinky stuff in through there, just to fill it out, because I have lots of this stuff, and then hopefully it looks cool. And then I'm thinking perhaps to the head, I may have to work in a little black and white, although I don't know if I have any more of that stuff. Just to blend everything well together. I may have to get a bag of white and black, like little ones, to work into the head, just to make this thing flow color-wise. And now flap the wings. And just make, yeah, like that. Lift the head up, Thames. Okay, now flap the wings. But don't show the back, guys. Actually, it looks pretty cool. It turned out, guys. Okay, say hi, YouTube and Facebook.
Hi, YouTube and Facebook.
Facebook? Facebook. Say hi, YouTube and Facebook.
Hi, YouTube and Facebook.
Facebook? You guys are cute. All right, thanks, guys. Okay, guys, so we are going to shoot with the feather jaw. It's a new fantasy creature. I've got Emmy. Say hi.
Hi.
And Sophie. Say hi.
Hi.
And they are holding the tripod for me in case it falls over. I actually have to get a new tripod. That thing's from the 70s, and I don't trust it. So we've got the twins on the tripod. We've got Julie operating the wings. Say hi, Julie.
Hello.
And we've got little Ella. Say hi, Ella.
Hi.
And she's gonna be the head of the feather jaw. So we're all set up here. We're gonna try this out and wish us luck. Say bye, guys.